Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Sharing your contact information automatically can be a convenient way to ensure your details are easily accessible to others without manual effort each time. Below are steps to set up automatic sharing of your contact card on your iPhone. The first step is to create or update your contact card. Open the contact app, then you find and select your contact card, usually labeled as My Card. Next, you update your information if necessary by tapping Edit in the top right corner. Tap Done to save any changes. Next, you enable automatic sharing with iMessage. Open the Setting app, then you scroll down and tap Messages. Next, you tap Share Name and Photo. Turn on the toggle for Share Name and Photo. Choose to share automatically or always ask before sharing. You can customize your photo and name if desired. Another method is using a third-party app for automated sharing. Download and install a third-party contact sharing app from your app store. An example is My Contact Card or Contact Plus. Follow the app's instructions to create and customize your contact card. Set up automatic sharing setting as per the app features. And that's it, guys. By following these steps, you can ensure your contact information is easily shared automatically through iMessage or by setting up an automation. This simplifies the process, making it effortless to share your details with others. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye bye.